Hi everyone, this is Mr. Gadget54 here again, and what you're seeing right now is a beautiful piece of art. Oh yeah, this is my Days of Thunder wallpaper I downloaded from the internet. Yep, that's the number 51 Mellow Yellow car, number 46 Superflow car, and the 46 Chevrolet City, and the Exxon car, which is Motor Oil Gasoline Company, and the Hardee's car right there. So that is my new wallpaper I wanted to show you. And oh boy, it looks awesome. Oh wait, sorry. Whoops, sorry, that was a car meme I downloaded. I got that from the internet too. Now just have one more look at this beautiful wallpaper right here. I'm trying to get a good glimpse of this. Hang on. Oh shoot. My camera's acting funny. There we go. One more glimpse. And now you'll be listening to my new ringtone. Whoop. Alright, so this is my new wallpaper, and now time for my new ringtone I want to share with you all. And now you will be listening to my brand new ringtone from my phone. Here it goes. Oops, sorry about that. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is my brand new ringtone that I got from my phone. Oh yeah, you definitely know what it is. Here's my wallpaper again. It is 3:37 right now. That is the ESPN Speed World Starting Grid theme music from the 90s, the 80s, and to the mid-90s, late 90s, and early 2000s. ESPN. I'm sure some of you NASCAR fans from those eras can remember this theme song. I mean, I really love this music too. It is like music to my jam. I mean, listen to this other part right here. This is my second theme song I wrote. Oh wait, hang on. No, that's not it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. Today is February 29th, and tomorrow's March. I can't believe it. It's going by so fast. So, thank you guys again, and I just wanted to share this with you all. Hope you all like it, and give this video a like, and subscribe to my channel.